What is it?
When we wake up, we say, Good morning! Good morning! Making your bed is a good habit. Yes. Clean room, happy day. Nia, what should we do after waking up? We should brush our teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Ah! Brushing teeth keeps them clean. Brushing your teeth every morning is a good habit. Healthy teeth make a happy smile. I'm hungry. Let's eat breakfast. Yeah! Wait, we forgot something important. We must wash our hands before eating. Soap and water keep our hands clean. Washing hands before eating is a good habit. Clean hands keep us healthy. I'm very hungry. Breakfast time. Thank you for the delicious breakfast. Saying thank you is a good habit. And I know, Can we play together? Yes! Let's share. Sharing toys is a good habit. Playing together is more fun. That toy car looks fun. Yeah, it's really fast. Wow. Watch this.
Oh no! The room is messy! There are toys everywhere!
Let's clean up our toys. Cleaning is a good habit. Our room is clean. Cleaning up after playing is a good habit. Oh, the ball fell down. Here you go. Thank you, Arlo. Here's your ball. Yay, thank you. Helping others is a good habit.
Sleeping early is a good habit.
Before sleeping, we say good night, good night.